Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the unveiling of the November mystery, which I'm really excited about. I've had this art, I think, since April and I was waiting for the perfect time to release it. I'm trying to remove the little shush cards. I did mention, I think on Instagram, that I will be stopping doing the overstock after I think December mystery. I'm not 100% sure what I said, but whatever I said on the interwebs is what is going on. So instead of listing the overstock in shops, I'm going to be just like tightening the belt on how many I make. And then I will be just putting anything that's manufactured that we have left over in the shop. So any foil, journaling cards, fun extras and things like that, anything I have left over that wise. Otherwise, any extra kits, I will just save them for like random pulls, which we will be doing one of those for Black Friday. You guys seem to really like that last year. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this month's mystery kit. I'm really excited about it. As always, our mysteries are exclusive art, so you will not see this art anywhere else. It is so cute. So let's go ahead and remove all the extras. I'll show you guys those last. There are quite a few. So let's go ahead and go through these. So this is a pink planner girl kit and I am so excited. This is like my aesthetic, my goals. I love this art. I just think it's so pretty. All the different tones of pink, all the quintessential planner items. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is still the like older format. So it has the old mini kit sheet and then also the old format of the deco. I think it'll be updated starting in December. Actually, I think Cyber Monday Mystery has the new format as well, but let's go ahead and get into this. So I love these full boxes. They're so pretty. Definitely an anytime kit, but an anytime kit I think that a lot of people are going to want to use. I know sometimes we hoard anytime kits, but these is just such a pretty kit. So this is the old format of the deco page. So you still have the scribblers down here. The scribblers do have a little pink washi tapes, the bow. You have the YouTube sticker still, and then you have your deco, which is super, super pretty. I love all of the pink, of course. Then in here you have your marble accents, you have your payday, you have your square off boxes. And how cool is this double box? So it's like a planner, but it has like, you know, the bottom washi from this kit, the date covers, and then like the boxes. Like how cool is that? I think it's like planner spread inception. So love that. You have the marble accents in your checklists, the little glitter strokes in the half boxes. You have your pattern washi and fancy labels, your little things, and solid washi and labels. You have your marble in the background of the ombre hair checklist, and then this is still washi. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the next one, Cyber Monday on, maybe it's not Cyber Monday, maybe it's December Mystery on has like the extra full box and then updated font, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. It might be January, but and then you have your bottom washi here, which is super, super pretty. And there's also a washi set that's coming out Cyber Monday weekend, Black Friday weekend, that'll look really cute with this set too. So I love this. Also, if you wanted to pick up one of our new 15 millimeter washi strips, I think the marble would look beautiful with this. Just saying. So I love this kit. Perfect anytime kit. So that is the kit. And then there is a bunch of extras. So you do get the glitter sampler. So you have the glitter headers, the glitter fancy labels, glitter flags, and then glitter quarter boxes. You do get the bows. You get the fashion girls. So you have a bunch of different skin tone and hair color options there. I love the one with the pink hair. Super cute. Then you also do get these foiled stickers. So I just wanted to do a foiled script sampler, kind of change it up a little. It is in our gold. I had been doing full boxes, but I thought that this one, like I think that if you have like the ones that are coming out this week, which I think these look really pretty. Just like a really minimalistic look. The dots, I think that'd be really pretty, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I did look how many are on here. A ton of scripts. So you have a bunch on here. You have Plan Next Week, you have 6 of those. Payday, you have 6 of those. Happy Mail, you have 6 of those. Meantime, you have 4 of those. New Releases, you have 2 of those. And Coffee Run, you have 2 of those. So you have a ton on here. These look amazing on a fancy label, so love those. You also do get a journaling card here that says Scribble Prince Co. in the background, which is super cute. Very subtle, those. I feel like it doesn't like scream Scribble Prince Co., but it's just like a nice little touch in the background. We do have sticky notes, which I will be switching out. Like I did I think it was on Facebook, I did a poll if you guys are like cool with me like switching out the sticky note sometimes, and you guys were like, yes, we're all sticky noted out for the most part. So I'm gonna start switching these out for other items, and you know, sometimes bringing back sticky notes. But this was really cute with the Raskog cart, and it was just kind of like a unique little sticky note. And then the kind of like fun extra that I did is a tattoo, like one of the ones that you like peel off this part, and it's gold foil, and then you can like put it on your wrist or your arm or whatever, you know, put it here, and then you wet it, hold it, and then peel it off, and then the gold transfers on here. It's so pretty. I'm probably going to put one on for Wednesday because we are going to have tattoos coming to the shop, but this is just like a little cool sample to try out. But I thought that was a really fun little addition. So you do get quite a few extras with the Ultimate. The Ultimate kit is $30 plus shipping. So in shop, a $30 kit is this, and then with the mystery you do get a bunch of extras. What we quote is the glitter sampler, and then I think like one fun extra. Yeah, I think that's what we quote. But I do always add a bunch of other things because I love spoiling you guys. It's my favorite thing in the whole entire world. So that is the Ultimate subscription. If you want to sign up for the next month, which is December Mystery, you can sign up on November 13th, I believe. Unless November 13th is on a Friday, which I feel like it might be. Let me check my calendar. November. No, November 13th is on a Tuesday. So if you want to sign up for a mystery, which there will be spots open for both of them, I believe, you can sign up on that date. This is the mini kit. There is a mini kit option. The mini kit comes with less extras and is a more affordable option. So what we quote with the mini kit is the glitter sampler, but I always throw in the journaling card, which is another thing. You guys said that you didn't mind if we don't do journaling cards in the future, which I may not do journaling cards. I feel like you guys might be a little journaling carded out, but we will see for sure. So that is the mini kit. Super cute. I love this bottom washi. I love abstract bottom washi. Like big abstract. Not like tiny busy abstract, but I just think that looks really pretty. So that is the mini kit, and I just love this art. I just think it's super cute. Very anytime, like I said, and just really pretty. So love the pinks, love the nude in there, and that is the mini kit. If you subscribed to the mini kit, that is what you will be receiving. So that is everything for the mystery this month. I hope you guys like it. I wanted to do kind of an anytime kit for this month. Next month is a little bit more theme specific, but a theme I feel like a lot of people could really use, and I haven't done, I don't think, exclusive art with the theme ever, so I'm really excited about that. I have a lot of really cool ideas for next year that are a little out of the box. So this is the Ultimate kit. Like I said, anything manufactured will be coming to the shop, so for this month it will be these items here. I think I might actually use these as freebies because I don't know, we're gonna have full sheets of them, so I think these are the items that will be coming to the shop. So the journaling card, the well, like in the future whenever I don't do the overstock, so it'll be the journaling card, the foil, and then the post-it. So sorry if that's a little confusing. I feel like it's late at night and I'm like been procrastinating filming this because I'm so sleepy, but I hope you guys like this month's mystery. They have all shipped our mystery whenever you subscribe. So like, let's say you subscribe in November, you subscribe on the 13th, that billing will be for December mystery, which will ship by, is that how it works? We'll ship by the 1st of December, usually before that, and then you'll be charged on the 1st of December, and then it'll ship by the January 1st, which will give us enough time to make sure all those have processed before we open up spots on the 13th, and then make sure all of those process and everything is solid for production. So that's everything for this month's mystery. I'm really excited, and excited to hear what you guys think about it. I think that it's a great anytime kit. I love the pink. I love the planner stuff. I think there's a lot of things we can all relate to, like the Raskog cart, the little planners and things like that, and I love that extra full box. There's something else I was going to say. Also, if you love mystery kits, definitely make sure that you're following us for our Cyber Monday, Black Friday weekend. I will be doing a Cyber Monday mystery that you're not going to want to miss. It's probably my favorite Cyber Monday mystery that we ever did. It is not Planner Girl. Usually our Cyber Monday mystery are Planner Girl, but it's not, but it's beautiful, and you guys are going to be in love. I think I'm going to be doing a sticker kit, a foil pack that kind of goes with the sticker kit, and then I'm also going to be doing a washi bundle. I think that's my plan for right now. That's all going to be a mystery, and you can kind of like, if you want to get, you know, one kit, 2 foil packs, and a washi, you can, or if you want to get the kit in the washi, or the kit in the foil, or the foil in the washi, whatever you want to do, you'll be able to kind of like pick as many or whatever you want to get from those. But really excited for that, and definitely make sure you get it, because I think that out of any of the kits I've ever released, if you don't get that one, like, you're gonna be very disappointed, because it's beautiful. But that's everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.